just real quick, guys. Y'all see my current situation? Yeah, I'm just leaving the grocery store. So, guys, I just ran into a fella with a Durango. Okay, Dodge Durango, 2015 model. Matter of fact, he still might be over there. I think he's gone. Anyway, his Durango is ticking. We got to talking. Is that it? No, I think he gone. We got to chatting. He got a ticker. It's a ticker. It's a 3.6 Pentastar ticker. Well, I enlightened him on the importance of getting that done as soon as possible before you make it worse. Worse in the fact of you ruining camshaft. Right now, it's just a ticker. So, guys, I talked to him. We're going to get that done. All right, I gave him my price right here on the spot. Gave him my channel so he can go look at some videos and check me out. Make sure I'm a real person, and we close the deal. So I'm gonna be working on the side this weekend doing a ticker at home in the garage, guys. So yeah, he's supposed to come out tomorrow with I need some money for some parts. But we're gonna get this thing done. I gotta go. Alrighty, guys. Yes, it's here. Remember the shorts? I hope y'all saw that shorts video. This is my buddies. My new buddy, okay? Actually just met the dude. It's all about vibe, guys, when you're dealing with strangers, total strangers. If you don't have a vibe with somebody or a vibe for somebody, yeah, it's never gonna work. I met him, this guy I met at Publix, okay? 2015 Durango, 3.6. Remember I told y'all he was riding by me and I heard the little dreaded Pentastar tick. Okay, well, after I talked to him about it, and him doing some research, yeah, he want to get it fixed. One of the biggest issues, guys, is you can literally you can ruin your camshafts. You can cause some damage to your engine. If your engine ticking, barely ticking, this is a good time to do it. Yeah, see, difference between a ticking and a tapping or knocking. This is a minor tick. In fact, we might just get lucky and save all 4 cams. Okay, this thing just may simply only need rocker arms. You see that? You can't, I've heard louder, so you don't hear it as hard as some of the other you've heard me do. So yeah, I gave him a damn good price. I'm talking a super damn good price. And that's simply because I have to do it here at home. Okay, this is one of those side jobs home thing. Brothers Motors are 2 stalls that we rent out at the shop. Oh, they is full, guys. They got stuff on the 2 lifts that can't come off for a long time. Now, granted, I'm not going to need a lift to do this. Like I say, this is your typical 2015 Dodge Durango. Nice vehicle, all right? Yes, guys, when you're dealing with a ticking issue or anything valve train related, I've already checked the oil. Make sure the oil is at least full. And somebody beat me to it. You can see right there, he got a new water pump. In fact, he said that we always did the radiator. Okay, so yeah. But as far as the ticking go, you can't beat the rate that I can give. And the good news is you still getting a quality trained technician doing it. Guys, let me tell you something. When I leave a shop, okay, when I leave a facility, when I'm done from working from wherever I'm at. Y'all know I work out of 4 different shops. When I'm done, when I come home, guess what? My brain comes with me. My brain is attached to me. So I'm just as skillful at a shop as I am at home. All right? Yeah, the skills I don't leave the skills at work. Now, granted, you should separate the two, your work life from your home life. But if you work extra hours on the side, yeah, that's a different story. Okay, so a lot of guys, I told y'all the story about the guy that didn't want me to work on his car unless I was in a full-blown shop. I was like, that comes with a full-blown price. You do know that, don't you? Well, I don't care. Okay. So I ended up doing his timing belt job. It was on an old Breeze, a Plymouth Breeze with a 2.4 in it. I did his timing belt job in the shop, 6 hours labor. I don't know, it was like $180 an hour back then. But my point is, I could have did that in the road, in my garage. But no, it's something about facility that turns people on. I get it. You get a decent warranty like that. But guys, please rest assured, I'm gonna take care of your car. Like, it's not, you know me now, you know where I stay, you know my employer, you know everything about me, my internet presence. So I'm not gonna sham the guy. Just say I do his ticking job and it turn up ticking again. No, I'm not gonna hide from him. So you get this, I'm gonna give you the same warranty that a shop would give you. If I work on your car, I'm just that type of guy. Now, Guys, what I did was actually risky business. It's called a blind estimate. Okay? Yes, I gave a blind estimate based off what I hear. I did not pop the hood. We did not look under anything. We didn't do anything. So who knows? In fact, yeah, look straight down there. Imagine that. Or for the adapter housing leaking. So this is a perfect time to get that done while I'm doing the rocker arms. All right, but I didn't factor that in the estimate. So when I get this plenum off and I can get a better look, be careful with this, doing it this way, because when somebody changes the oil, when they pick up on the oil filter, that residual oil can fall right down in there. And then when somebody look down in there, they may think that the adapter housing is leaking. So be careful, don't get tricked by that. In fact, I have to be careful because he said he just had an oil change done. That oil is brand new, it's clear. So yes, he just had it done. That could very well be residual. That's why I can get a better look when I take the plenum off as I'm doing the oil filter adapter housing. All right. So yeah, I gave a blind estimate. Will it need cams? I don't know. You don't know till you get in it. But y'all know what I talked to y'all about as far as those cams. All right. In fact, listen, guys, this is not a hardcore tick. This is a soft tap. Chances are we might get by. I'm gonna prop a camera up and show the whole job, guys. This might be one of those long 30-minute videos. All right, I don't have to shortchange y'all because I'm just gonna talk and work. Not in the shop. I'm gonna be at home in the garage probably. But yeah. So man, the rate I gave, you can't beat it, guys. If I'm at a facility, like I said, I was at the grocery store. If I'm at Walmart and somebody ride by me ticking, sure, I'll approach them and talk to them. I need to get some business cards, some more. I ran out. I was subletting all my stuff to Brothers Motors, but if he full, I'll just do it myself. Okay? I do not have to let this in the air, guys. We're doing an oil filter. We're doing a ticker job. We're doing rocker arms and the lifters on the bad rocker. Okay? Remember, I'm not a big fan of replacing parts that don't need replace. Lifters do not. I get in trouble when I say this. So I don't know. Some people just sensitive. But yeah, I'm gonna replace the lifters that's underneath the failed rocker. I'm not gonna do 24 lifters. They don't need no freaking lifters. Whole issue with this car is those poorly built rocker arms. All right? Yeah. Let me shut up so y'all can hear. Yep, not bad at all. The thing is, you don't want to keep driving like that, or you can make it bad. You can make it bad. All right. So yeah. And summertime rolling up, so yeah, I'm gonna start sticking some business cards out. I don't know where I'm gonna find the time to do side work. My plate is full as it is, but guys, when I see an opportunity to get some of this, it's on. I just can't. I don't know. It's something about me in that. All right, I ain't gonna let this run all day. We got work to do, man. I'm gonna do. Today is Friday. I'm gonna do this Saturday when I get off and finish it up Sunday. So I should be done by the weekend. All right, let me close that. Wrap this thing up. Guys, I'll catch y'all later, man. I'm gonna put this back on him. Yeah, let me turn this off. I will catch y'all later, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for freaking watching.